coughing through my mouth again. Oh my god. Not nearly as much as I was last night. Holy crap, last night I woke up. Seriously, my throat was on fire. I woke up from coughing for like 15 minutes. I couldn't stop coughing. So I got up, I drank some water, I decided not to do a cough drop. Thought about doing a cough drop. Wish I had done a cough drop. But I have the tendency to fall asleep with them in my mouth. And that's not good. So, because it rots out my teeth, like I go into a half sleep when I'm sucking on the cough drop and, staying awake. But I'm still asleep. Like I'll go into a dream world and then come out just to like switch around my cough drop some more. Holy crap! My voice is so squeaky. So squeaky. So squeaky. But I slept with my mask on and it did not cut my nose. It did indent it, which is good.